Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to export your Shopify theme. First, we'll access the Shopify dashboard. I've already got the Shopify dashboard open here. Now, on the left sidebar, find Online Store. Just click on it. The Themes page opens, listing all your store's themes. Exporting a theme from here is super easy. Go to the theme you want to export. I'll use the active theme, but you can download any theme. Let's go to our theme on the right side. Click the icon with 3 dots. A new menu will pop up. Look for the Download Theme File button. We'll click here and it'll show that your theme files will be sent to your registered email. Then we'll simply click the Send Email button. After clicking, your theme files have been sent to your email. Now just check your email. When you open your inbox, you'll see the email with your theme. Click on that email to open the sent message. You'll see an exported theme button in the text. Clicking it will download the theme file. Your theme is now saved on your computer. You've successfully downloaded and exported your theme files. Opening this file will unzip it on your computer. Here are all your theme files. Use this as a backup or import it to another store. You can do whatever you want with the file. Your theme file is now safely on your computer. I hope this video helped. Bye.